Y. Y. Hello boys and girls. Today we have a new sound, and that new sound is Y. When you see this side of the card, you say Y. When you see this side of the card, you say yak. Now it's time for the peekaboo game. Just say what you see, Y or yak. Well done everybody. Now we're going to write the sound with our finger. But before that, we need to learn the rhyme first. And the rhyme for this sound is down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. So you start at the top of the sound and you go down a horn, up a horn, under his head. Down a horn, up a horn, under his head. Now you carry on saying the rhyme. Get your pens and pencils, we're going to have a go writing in our books. Get whoever's helping you to write the sound on the top line in a light colour and put a dot where you need to start so that you know where to put your pen. When you're writing, just remember, take your time, say the rhyme. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Now you carry on saying the rhyme. Remember, keep saying the rhyme. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Well done everyone. Now you're going to have a go writing the sound independently, which means on your own. You can get whoever's helping you to put a little dot where you need to start so that you know where to put your pen. But just remember, take your time and say the rhyme. And the rhyme for this sound is down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Down the horn, up a horn, and under his head. I want to hear you saying the rhyme as we go. Down a horn, up a horn, and under his head. Super writing everyone. Now have a look over the y sounds that you have written. Pick your favourite one and put a star by the side. So when you look back over your work, you can see what a good one looks like. Now it's time for popcorn words. Any words that start with the sound y that pop into your head, I want you to shout them out now. Fantastic work, everyone. Now I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with the sound y. Can you guess what it might be? It's a yo-yo. Now, boys and girls, I want you to have a think of some things that start with the sound y, and I want you to draw them in your books.
Super work, boys and girls. I'm so impressed with all those sounds that you've been learning. Make sure you keep up the hard work and post your work to Dojo so that all the teachers can see what you've been up to. See you next time for another sound video.